All right, the next thing that we're going to talk about in this section is something called a permutation. A permutation is any ordered arrangement of a set of given objects. So the key thing here is the word ordered arrangement. So what we're thinking about here and the kind of the difference between what we're going to see looking ahead to the next section, 11.8, we're going to talk about combinations. In combinations, order does not matter. But in permutations, order does matter. Right? The number of permutations, n, of distinct items is n factorial, symbolized by n with an exclamation point after that. And what that means is we take that number times that number minus 1 times that number minus 2 all the way down until our last one is 1. I am going to make a little note here. If for whatever reason you ever run into 0 factorial, 0 factorial is defined as being 1. So just to kind of make a slight little note of that. All right, so in how many different ways can 7 children be arranged in a line? Okay. So since we have 7, we're going to have 7 factorial. Right, so we're going to take 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then if we go through and we multiply all of that out, we have 5,040 arrangements. All right, there are factorial buttons on both our graphing calculators and our scientific calculators. So I'll kind of talk a little bit about that when we get together and we go through things in class. But in the graphing calculator, they're kind of hidden. They're going to be under your probability menu, which is in your math menu. So I'll definitely take some time in class to show you where those buttons are going to be. And then I will also, in addition to that, make a kind of a cheat sheet, a calculator cheat sheet for a lot of these last few sections to help you out with our factorials, our permutations, and combinations, so that way you can figure out where to find these buttons on your calculator.